Set up Tarasenko. He'll spin on Koivu. Right out in front. A chance. They score! Joel Edmondson gets the goal. St. Louis wins in overtime.
2-1. But in the end, it's the St. Louis Blues. Jaden Schwartz right here does a good job protecting the puck. Vladimir Tarasenko, a great job here on Koivu to get position on him, take it to the net. He loses that puck. He's not trying to pass it. He's trying to take this puck to the net. Unfortunately, he loses it. But fortunately, as he loses it, it goes right to Joel Edmondson, who's left all alone in the slot. And he's able to put it past an outstretched Devan Dubnyk. No chance for the Minnesota Wild netminder. And a game winner for the St. Louis Blues as their bench is thrilled with the final result.